So you've decided to start a YouTube channel, or you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel. Well, here's my opinion. Do it.
Just do it!
So anyway, if you want to start a YouTube channel, stick around and I'll show you exactly what you need. Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Stacy Paul. Thanks for stopping by. Feel free to like and subscribe if this is the kind of content that you're interested in. We're going to talk about a wide range of things. Sports, movies, parenting most of all. I'm a father of two boys, 17 and 19. So it's going to be a wide range of stuff. We're going to talk about starting a YouTube channel and what that's like and the trials and tribulations that come along with it. One of the most common things that people have is that they're just afraid. They're afraid to start the YouTube channel because they think no one will watch, which is fine. Well, I'm here to kind of pat you on the back and get behind you and tell you it is a good time to start a YouTube channel. People struggle to talk to the camera. They get nervous and, I even get a little bit of anxiety before I hit record. And it's just, that's typical. It's common. It'll happen to anyone that at least wants to talk to a camera. You've got to kind of create it in a sense that you're talking to a person. And really what you are is you're talking to thousands of people or, one or two people. Okay, there's going to be 5 things that you're going to need. Number 1 is a Gmail account. That's step 1. Once you got a Gmail account, then you need to go start a YouTube account, which is done with your Gmail account. Very simple. The next thing you're going to need is a camera. And that could be an action camera, something like that that's fairly inexpensive. Or you could use your good old iPhone. You really don't need to worry about high quality video when you're first starting out. That is not a necessity. Lighting. You will need some lighting. Even if it's just an open window that is shining bright, that's coming in the window, just so you can see your face and your facial expressions and all that stuff. The other important thing that you're going to need is a mic. You could use your iPhone mic, but I really highly suggest that you use some type of mic. And these are cheap. You can get one for about $100 and you could probably buy a lavalier one that'll connect right into your phone for 10, 15 bucks on Amazon. So I'll put a link in the description for the equipment that I use. So, and the 5th and final thing that you're gonna need is some type of editing software. So once you have those 5 things, you're ready to go. Actually, you know what? There's a 6th thing. Confidence. You gotta have confidence. And that's the most important thing.
And the key is confidence.
You can't be shy. You can't be afraid to talk to a camera, because if that's the case, then what are you doing this for? But if you have a little tenacity and you're willing to put yourself out there, then YouTube's the place to be. I think it's a growing market. I think there's going to be a lot of people on it. And I know there's a lot of people on your TikTok and your Instagram Reels. And if you want to do little short form content, go for it. Start there, do some TikToks where you're talking for 10 or 15 seconds and put that out there and see if you go anywhere with it. But I really feel that YouTube's the place to grow. And it's not going to happen overnight. Trust me, I've been doing this for just a couple of weeks and nothing's happening. So, which is fine. Hopefully over time, and I've got plenty of videos out there, that it'll start to grow over the course of time and that people like what I'm bringing to them and like my content and have an interest in what I have to say. So anyway, that's all you need to get this thing going. Pretty simple. I'm over 50. I'm not sure what I'm chasing, but I'm chasing something. And let's do this together. I think it'll be a fun journey. If you decide to start a YouTube channel, put a comment down there. I'll respond to you and send me your channel link. I'll come and subscribe to you. I'm here for you. Let's get each other's back on this thing. I think it'll be fun to kind of see each other grow over the years. I do know it'll take a long time. I mean, I know this isn't gonna happen overnight. So anyway, thanks for coming. I told you what you need to do to get this thing started. So let's go. Let's get this thing going. Peace out. See you on the next one.